Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a shadow effect to elements like photos or images in your apps and websites on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your app project on Lovable AI, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. You can either ask the artificial intelligence through that communication panel in the bottom left corner to do that for you, or you can do that manually if you like, for example, image or photo editing. Nonetheless, you will need to click into this button in the bottom left, Visual Edits, and select the visual edit you would like to edit or add the shadow effect to. So let me go with this one here, click into it, and after that what you want to do is, as previously mentioned, ask the artificial intelligence to add in shadow effect to it. Add outer shadow effect, for example, to image. Press enter, and you will see the process here to the left. So if you don't like waiting for that, guys, oh, there you go. There you go. So we see that, we see that shadow. Now we can always do that manually by simply clicking into Visual Edits again, by selecting the given photo, and after that, guys, simply scroll down to the effects here to the left and select the shadow type, like small, default, medium, large. In our shadow, let me go with medium. Click into save. Wait for the changes to be saved, or these edits. And there you go. So that's how we do it on Lovable AI, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.